Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to hide or remove the home and or gallery section in File Explorer. So if you don't want to see these and you don't use these, you could easily get rid of them and then bring them back if needed. So we did a couple of videos in the past on how to do this via a registry edit, but this time we're going to be using the Windhawk app to do so. Alright, so if you don't know what Windhawk is, it is a free tool you could use to install mods, and then these mods change the way Windows functions and appears. So how it works is you install the Windhawk app, then you have your various sections here, your home section, which will show you any mods you have installed, and then some featured mods, and then you could explore and search for other mods. You could sort them right here, do a search in the box here, and then find what you're looking for that way. Alright, so the one we're going to be using is called Hide, Home and Gallery and Explore. So once you install Windhawk, you'd want to do a search for this right here in the Explore section. And then once you find it, click on Details and then Install. So I already have it installed. And then once it's installed, it'll be in your Home section here. And then you could disable it from here, remove it from here, and go into the details, disable it, and remove it from here as well. Alright, so this mod has some settings here. Most mods have some settings. There are some that don't, so keep that in mind. Alright, so this has the items to hide. You could hide home or gallery or both. And if you're on a non-English computer, you could actually change the text that is used. So if you are keeping them visible, you could change what they actually say. And then there's a section down here where if you want to change the scan interval, so you could give that a shot if you want to see what that does. Alright, so we have this open here, so I'm going to close Explorer first. So let's hide home. You have to click on Save Settings each time. Now you can see galleries there. And we could go back and hide gallery if you want to do that one too. Now they're both gone. And then if you want to bring them back, just disable it here or enable it, I guess, depending on how you want to say it. Save the settings. And now they're back. Alright, so it's pretty simple. So once again, just install Windhawk. Do a search for Hide, Home and Gallery and Explore in the Explore section here in the search box. Click on Details on Install. You're going to get a pop-up saying something like be careful when installing these mods, but you'll see that for any mod you install, so keep that in mind. And then on a side note, Windhawk needs to be running down here in the system tray, so if your mods ever stop working, come down here and check and see if it's running. And if not, just open Windhawk again and it should load it down here. And then also Windhawk should be set to start with your computer, so you shouldn't have to open up Windhawk just to get your mods to work. Alright, so I'll put a link in the description for Windhawk, and then you can try it out for yourself. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.